In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mautic Mail. By the end, you'll know how to log in, build a polished email, choose who receives it, and send it with confidence. Start by opening your Mautic login page and signing in with your account credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Channels area, then choose Emails. This is your hub for creating and managing everything you send. Click New to start a message. Mautic will ask you to choose the type of email. Pick Segment Email if you're sending directly to a list you've already built. Choose Triggered Email if this message will be used by an automation or campaign flow that sends it based on specific actions. If you're not sure, Segment Email is typically the go-to for one-time or scheduled sends to a defined audience. Next, select a template or start from scratch. Templates can speed things up and help keep branding consistent, while a blank canvas gives you full creative control. You can jump into the builder right away or come back to design later if you prefer to set basic details first. In the builder, customize your content using drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, and buttons. Keep your layout clean, make your main message clear near the top, and use concise button labels that describe the action. Double-check links, ensure images load quickly, and preview for both desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks great. When you're happy, save your design so none of your changes are lost. Now configure the email details. Add a clear, compelling subject line that sets expectations and avoids spammy phrasing. You'll also see an internal subject field. This is just for your team's reference inside Mautic, so use it to label the campaign in a way that's easy to find later. Choose who should receive the email by opening the Contact Segment field and selecting the appropriate segment. Take a moment to verify you've picked the correct list to avoid sending to the wrong audience. When everything looks right, click Save and Close to finalize your setup. Review your content and details one more time. If you're satisfied, click Send. Mautic will ask you to confirm. Click Send again to approve the delivery. That final confirmation helps prevent accidental sends, so only proceed when you're sure the message, audience, and timing are correct. That's it, you've logged in, built a branded email, selected your recipients, and sent it using Mautic Mail.